Recently, Xiaomi have launched their new mobile K20 and K20 Pro. So we are going to see today top features of K20 Pro. So let's begin the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's see the key specs of K20 Pro. So display of K20 Pro is 6.39 inch. It comes with resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels. The processor of the K20 Pro is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. The front camera of the mobile is 20 megapixel and rear camera come with triple cameras. So first camera is 48 megapixel, second is 8 megapixel, and third is 13 megapixel. The RAM of the mobile is 6 GB. The storage of the mobile is 64 GB, and the battery capacity is 4000 mAh, and OS is Android Pie. So K20 Pro summary. K20 Pro smartphone was launched on 20th May 2019. The phone comes with a 6.39 inch touchscreen display with resolution of 1080 into 240 pixels and aspect ratio of 19.59. Okay, so the K20 Pro measures 156.70 into 74.30 into 8.80 mm, height into width into thickness, and weight 191 grams. It was launched in carbon black, glacier blue, and flame red colors. It bears a glassy body. The mobile will launch in India is 16 July. So thank you for watching video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to Gadgetflix. So thank you for watching video. Bye bye. See you.